Hi, I'm Chris Hayden with CW Hayden Company. I'd like to talk today a little bit about earplugs, getting them in your head right, because if they're not in your ear canal correctly, they're not going to give you the protection that you're expecting or hoping to get. There's a lot of different products that are available on the market for earplugs. They make them in different sizes, they make them in different foam densities, they make them so that they fit big ears, small ears. They're all pretty much the same kind of technology where it's a soft foam that gets compressed a little bit and slides into your ear canal, expands when it's in there, and it seals out the noise. Some of them are easier than others. Others you need to have clean hands like this. This is the original EAR plug. It has a soft foam that's been die cut, so the outside edge is an open foam. So if you have dirty or greasy fingers, you roll it down, you're going to be driving the dirt and grease into the ear plug, and then that goes into your ear. So you might, if you've got dirty hands, you might want to go with a sealed type of foam as opposed to the roll down with an open cell like that. There are also other ones like this that has a little tab on the back. These are so-called push-in earplugs. If you're pretty tenacious with it, you can get these big ones into your ear without rolling it down at all. I still prefer to roll it a little bit and then push it in. There's several other styles that are push-in as well. The little tab on the outside just makes it easier to grip something other than the earplug material itself. So you keep your fingers off of the face of the earplug itself. There's also some that are kind of a soft, sort of a silicone-like rubber like this with 3 flanges. These go in the same way. You don't have to, these don't roll down at all. They tend to be a little less comfortable because there's a lot of return memory to the earplug, so after a while your ears may start to ache a little bit, but they're very effective on dampening sound. Some of them are corded, so you don't lose them. You can just drape them over your neck. There's others like this, interesting. People think that's just a neat little stripe on there just to make it look different. If that's showing when it's installed in your ear, it's telling you it's not in there enough to be doing its job correctly. So what I'd like to do right now is I'll take these are the EAR Classic. The roll down procedure is real basic. You just roll it in your fingers like that, squeezing it all the time, rolling until it gets down real small. The reason I like these so well, these are a different kind of a foam. They don't recover real fast. You have time after it's rolled down to actually get it into your ear properly before it starts to expand, and then you can't push it in far enough. With any of these plugs, it's actually going inside your ear canal. It's extremely important that you do one thing when you're doing the install, and that is reach around behind your head and grab hold of just about your earlobe, just above your earlobe, and pull it straight away from your head. The human ear canal is actually bent slightly, and if you try to jam this in, it's only going to go just a little ways, and it's either going to fall out or it's definitely not going to give you the kind of protection you need. So if you straighten your ear canal by pulling it out, you can push that earplug all the way in so it's flush with my ear. At this point now I can feel it expanding slowly. It's getting quieter and quieter in my left ear, and it's working pretty well. They don't have a lot of strong push against the ear canal, so you can wear them for long periods of time, a whole shift if you want, without taking them out. The push-in style, all you have to do with these is roll it down a little bit just to get it started. You can see the foam on these starts to recover really quickly, so you have to act pretty quick. So you roll it down, grab the ear, pushing with that blue plastic handle. I kind of give it a little twirl, not twisting, but just kind of spin it around in a little circle, semicircle, and it goes right in, and it's fitting nice and snug. The other thing that's nice about these is they're easy to pull out because all you have to do is grab the little blue tab, and out they come. Great ear protection. We have lots of different styles at CW Hayden Company. Protect your ears and your hearing as best the technology will allow.